Tasha off tonight. Mary joins us, and you've been tracking our rainfall. How much did we get today?
Just a tenth of an inch, not much really in the scheme of things, especially when you compare it to what happened out at the coast, where we did see a lot in a short amount of time at Astoria, over 0.6 of an inch. So as we take a look at the numbers here, we are seeing that it really was concentrated to the north of us, a lot going into the Olympic Peninsula down to Astoria. Kelso Longview just over 0.2 of an inch there, but again, not much for us. Troutdale did come out with something like over 1/4 of an inch. I think it was 0.27. And I'm still keeping my eye on Pendleton at this hour because we are seeing some heavier rain there at the moment, and that should be adding up here as we continue through tonight. Well, none of this, though, really helping for our serious drought conditions. We're still seeing over 26% of the state into the exceptional drought category. And when we broaden out this picture, you can see how widespread that actually is. And generally speaking, we're still in vast majority dry to moderate drought conditions out there. So not a lot of change for us. We need a lot more rainfall. What we're seeing right now is stabilizing air on our radar picture. That's kind of what's showing up at the moment. Here's those stronger storms, though, still associated with this frontal boundary, tracking very quickly off to the east, and it will soon be out of the state of Oregon and Washington, moving into Idaho before it kind of falls apart. Today is September 30th, the end of our water year, which typically runs from October 1st through September 30th. It's October of last year, which was very dry, through December. We got pretty wet in January, February, but then we had this long dry streak before we've kind of tried to recover in September, but we're still over 6 inches below where we are on average. So what is a water year? Typically, it's done by the U.S. Geological Survey. They keep track every year of 12 months of precip from that date that I gave you. And it differs from the calendar year because it factors in winter snowfall turning over to the spring melt. So that's why they do it different than the calendar year. Meanwhile, our extended forecast shapes up like this, where we are not seeing much going on. I'm a little concerned about Sunday, especially because it's the Portland Marathon, but I think this whole little system is going to fall apart on us, and we're really not going to see very much out of it at all. So your 7-day forecast, this is what we're shaping it up to be. 67, partly sunny tomorrow after a little bit of fog here and there. We'll look for upper 60s, low 70s through Sunday. And then as we get into next week, we've got a dry day there. Meanwhile, we'll see some more showers coming our way Tuesday, Wednesday, and then mostly cloudy and cooler again on Thursday. Back to you.
Thank you. Coming up, shocking accusations against a former Portland Thorns